Okay, for our letter B page, you are going to need your B page and your bear. I already glued mine to the paper, but so you'll need that. You'll need your pencil for writing your letter. You're going to need the square of blue crepe paper. Well, it's kind of like a rectangle probably. And then 3 black buttons in your bag. You're going to need glue, a Sharpie. You'll need your large circle sponge and some paint. You can use whatever color you want. I think that's everything we'll need. So the first thing you need to do on your B page is draw your letter B. So remember, we start at the top, and we go straight line down from the top to the bottom. Then you pick your pencil up, and you're going to go out on the top line, out on the top line, and come back on the middle line with 1 bump. And then out, and right back on the bottom line with another bump. Bring this closer so you can see it. Okay, now for the little b, we're going to start on the top line again, straight line down. And then we make a circle here. This goes up, touches the middle line, down, touches the bottom line, and back. Okay, there are letter B's, and make sure to do them all the way across your whole thing. All the way across here, here. Oh, and I forgot to remind you, what's the first thing you write on your paper? Your name. That's right. Okay, so after that, you're going to glue your bear onto your page, which I already have done right here. And I have drawn this really big. This is supposed to be your bear's head, because the first thing you're going to do is you'll use a Sharpie. I'm using my marker because I'm drawing on here. But we're going to draw the face on your bear with your Sharpie. So you start with the eyes. Remember, eyes go right in the middle. That's right. So the middle right here, it's right here. So you're going to draw 2 eyes. And you can do a circle. You can do whatever you want for your eyes. If you're at bear, if you want it to look a little bit more feminine, you can add eyelashes. It's up to you. Just do a plain circle, however you want. Now the tricky part of this face is the nose. So let's see if you can. So we're going to draw a triangle that points down. So you draw a straight line across the top. See how we did that straight line across the top, and then our triangle points down. And you'll color that in. Good. Now, we're going to come down out of the bottom of our triangle, and we're going to go out and curl that way, and out and curl that way. And there's our bear face. Okay, so you'll draw that on your bear. I'm gonna, oh, there you go. I've got to put that back up there. I'm gonna draw mine. So, put this on here. So I draw my eyes, my eye, my straight line on top, come down to a point. One curls out that way and one curls out that way. Nice. Now the next thing I'm going to add to my bear is the bow tie. So I am going to take and do a line of glue right across his neck. Straight line across. Let's see if my glue will open up. There we go. Straight line across his neck. Then you take your paper. You're going to pinch it in one hand, and then you twist the other hand the other way. See, like this would be straight, but we're going to twist the other way. Grab it, and then twist it. And now it's a bow. There you go. And we'll glue that onto our straight line across. Right there, so I can still see his face, but he has a bow tie. And then you'll do 3 dots underneath that. 1, 2, 3, and that's where your buttons go. I don't know if mine will stick since I'm hanging up, but yours will because it's laying flat. 1, 2, oh, these buttons, we're gonna have to squish them on. They're big. There we go. 3 buttons and a bow tie. If you can only fit 2, that's fine too. And then we need to add, so we have a brown bear, we have a bow tie, we have buttons, and our last word right here is balloon. So you can use any color of paint you want. When you're finished with today, you still need to have white and orange paint. And all the rest of the colors, after you do your self-portrait, you can get rid of. But we're going to use any color you want that you have. Or if you want a color that you don't have, come by and get one from me. Just send me a text. We're going to do a balloon right there. There's your balloon. And then I always wait for it to dry at preschool, so you can do this how you want at home. But you're going to draw a string from your balloon to your bear's hand. I'm going to put it across his hand so he's holding on to it. And there you go. You have your bees, your balloon, your brown bear, bow tie, and buttons. There you go.